In this section, we'll once again tap into the creative powers of ChatGPT to create a variety of visual design elements. These elements will be converted into vectors by uploading the files back to ChatGPT, which will use a Python script to reformat them. While ChatGPT's coding capabilities effectively handle simpler elements, we'll quickly encounter its limitations for more complex designs. For these, we'll turn to other free resources to complete the vector conversion process. Next, we'll return to PowerPoint to explore its built-in tools for enhancing imported visuals, such as the background remover that turns your image transparent. We'll also explore ways to add additional visual elements using these built-in tools, like inserting, drawing, and converting shapes. You'll learn how to manage these elements efficiently using groupings, alignment, and distribution tools. Additionally, we'll cover useful hotkeys and functions like the Format and Animation Painter. With our content ready, we'll bring the visual design elements to life using animations and converting them into GIFs and icons. We'll test some limitations with converting to GIFs in PowerPoint and explore how Adobe can be used to bypass this limitation. Finally, we'll tie everything together by creating a clickable menu using your newly created GIFs and icons that will be elegantly brought to life with the Morph transition. Let's jump into it.